Okay, guys, miscellaneous now
Any
as well.
ketchup or anything?
Lunch service. We've seen quite a few customers coming up, and it's actually surprisingly popular.
Do you?
For some reason, I
Ketchup?
thought that this would be like a novelty
Or hot
dish,
sauce?
something that you ate at KFC. And I think she's been kind of generous to me. These chunks of hot dog have a lot of chicken on them.
And no food coloring. And the right way to film it is in slow motion.